Hello.
Hello, I heard I was charged something by PayPal, but I didn't do it. Can you help me?
Hello.
Yes, I heard I was charged something by PayPal, but I didn't do it. Can you help me?
Yeah, I'm really sorry to hear that, sir. Can you help me out with the invoice number or transaction ID number?
I don't have any invoice number or ID number. It was just a phone message that said I was charged something by PayPal.
Thank you for being on hold. As I can see, somebody tried to purchase a weapon like a gun. So, did you try to purchase a gun or it's somebody else?
No, I wouldn't buy a gun. I need the little money I have to pay for my senior housing and my meals on wheels and my pills for my reptile dysfunction.
Yes, sir. Did you share your personal information with anybody like your friends or your family members?
Well, I had a party at my house last week, and my nephew invited some of his friends, and some of his friends invited their friends, and the house was full of strangers, and things got started to get out of control, and people were
Yes.
freebasing cocaine and freebasing crystal meth, and then there was a prostitute at the party who died of a heroin overdose, and everyone ran off when me and my nephew asked for some help to put her body in the trunk of a Hertz rental car so we could set it on fire. And I think I had a yellow sticky on my computer that had my PayPal login and password.
Now what I can see is from your end somebody tried to take the access of your personal information and they trying to do all the illegal stuff. They were trying to purchase a gun under your name.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yes, sir. Yes, I do. But how did you know that? Why should I believe?
I'm just saying it's terrible somebody would try to charge my PayPal.
So, as because you are a registered customer, what I can do for you is that I can get connected to refund department, and the refund department is going to give you an online refund claiming from which you need to fill up by yourself and claim your refund. And also at the same time, the PayPal technician is going to work on your account so that you don't lose any of your personal information anymore over the internet in the future. Okay,
Okay.
so now in order to your request I will go ahead and get you connected to the refund department.
Okay.
So now I do believe you are the front of the computer.
Well, it's upstairs. Let me go up there. Just take me a few moments.
Please just go fast.
Bleh, bleh. Excuse me, I haven't been the same since I got coronavirus. Just another set of stairs.
Hello.
I'm still climbing up the stairs.
Okay, just go.
Okay, I'm in front of the computer now.
You just open your computer.
It was already open. Uh huh.
So now I'm going to transfer the call to the refund department. So just you be on hold, and if the customer says if not in front of the okay, just hold a minute. I'm just transferring the call to my senior department officer.
Okay.
Okay, just hold a minute, sir. Hello.
Hello?
Oh, motherfucker, how are you?
It's against the rules of the call center to call a
Why?
client a motherfucker. I want to speak
I
to your supervisor.
I am the owner. I am the owner. This
I,
is a small call center. This is a small scam, but I earn more than you. Okay. I'm
I,
a very rich person. I will fuck your mother, then I will fuck your wife. At the same time, I
I,
will get a gift. Okay.
I,
Goodbye.